Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Can you guess this animal? Lion. Good job. This is the lion. The lion is smelling its paw. Can you guess this animal? Yes, antelope. This is the antelope. Say it with me. Antelope. Can you guess this animal? Elephant. The elephant is walking. Can you guess this animal? Giraffe. Good job. This is a giraffe. The giraffe is very tall. Can you guess this animal? A hippo. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Can you guess this animal? Tiger. This is a tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. Can you guess this animal? Rhino. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Can you guess this animal? Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Can you guess this animal? Flamingo. This is flamingo. There are many flamingos. They are beautiful flamingos. Can you guess this animal? Koala. Say koala. The koalas are playing. The koalas are playing. Can you guess this animal? Peacock. This is a peacock. The peacock is blue. Can you guess this animal? Wallaby. Say wallaby. Wallaby. The wallaby is carrying her baby. Can you guess this animal?